Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to get apps to open when you log in. I'll also cover how to remove an app from opening when you're logging in as well. This can be useful to help you save some time when you start your day by not having to open apps up manually that you commonly use. To open an app at login, first check if there's an option in the app that you want to open at login to see if it can do it itself. This is usually done by going into the settings or preferences for an app. You can check this by opening the app up and then going to the app name in the menu bar and then click on settings or preferences. Another way is to press the command and comma on your keyboard. If there is an option in there, it would typically be called something along the lines of open or run at login or startup. The wording may vary, but it would typically be a variation of that. You would then typically see either a tick box or a slider next to it, and if you tick it or slide it over, it will run at startup or login. If it's unticked, it won't. If there's no option in the settings to do this, you can still have an app open when you log in. First, open up System Settings by going to the Apple logo in the menu bar and then clicking on System Settings. Click on General if it's not already selected, and then go to Login Items and Extensions. At the top there is a section called Open at Login. You can either click on the plus, then browse to the Applications folder and select an app. For example, in my case I'll select the plus sign, and then I'll just add Audacity, select Open, and that'll be now added. So the next time I log in, that would open automatically. Another way to add an app to the list is to open the Applications folder and then drag and drop an application to the list. I'll do this with Visual Studio Code, for example. And there we go. Next time I log in, both apps will open automatically. To stop an app from opening at login, simply click on the app and then click on the minus button. And that one's been removed, and I'll do the same for Audacity as well. Both have been removed, so neither will open automatically at startup. And it's as simple as that. If you got value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to know when I release another video. If you would like to see some more macOS tips and tutorials like this, I have a playlist with more here on the left, and on the right, there's a video that YouTube thinks you might like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.